In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do if you lost your Canadian passport. Losing a passport can feel stressful, but the most important thing is to act quickly and follow the right process. A missing passport should be reported right away to help protect you from identity fraud. Once it is reported, the passport can be invalidated so no one else can try to use it. If your Canadian passport has been lost or stolen, your first priority is to report it immediately to the Government of Canada and also to your local police. This creates a record of the incident and helps support your replacement application later. When you apply for a new passport, you will need to submit a new passport application, provide 2 photos, pay the replacement fee, and complete the statutory declaration for a lost, stolen, damaged, destroyed, or inaccessible Canadian travel document. If you are currently in Canada, start by contacting Passport Canada as soon as possible to report the loss. This should be done right away so the document can be flagged and invalidated. When speaking with them, be ready to clearly explain that your passport has been lost or stolen and follow any guidance they give you for the next steps. After that, file a police report with your local police department. Ask for a copy of the report if available, or at least a report number or reference number. This is important because it helps document what happened, and you may be asked to provide this information when replacing your passport. Even if you think the passport was simply misplaced, reporting it is still a smart and recommended step. Next, apply for a replacement passport in person at a Service Canada center. Bring the documents you will need, including your police report or reference number, proof of Canadian citizenship such as a birth certificate, and supporting identification. You should also be prepared to pay the standard application fees. Make sure your application is complete and that your photos meet passport photo requirements, because missing details can slow down the process. As an extra tip before visiting in person, it can help to review the current passport requirements on the official Government of Canada website so you know exactly what to bring. That can save you time and reduce the chance of delays. The key takeaway is simple: report the loss immediately, file a police report, and then submit a complete replacement application in person. Acting quickly helps protect your identity and gets you back on track with a valid travel document as soon as possible.